Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very tiny unboxing for you. I'm not going to say I'm excited. Here's why. So this is a fun box, and I look at the ThredUp website probably at least once a day, just seeing what's up because, you know, I need another mystery box. But I have only got my hands on a fun box once, and if you recall the video, I actually purchased two of them. I was so excited. I bought one, I logged out, logged back in. So I got two and I unboxed them together, and they were pretty terrible. I watch a lot of ThredUp unboxings. I kind of don't really watch TV anymore. I just let YouTube play while I'm working on my computer. Anyway, the fun boxes are typically the ones where you can get your most bang for your buck, okay? Keep a couple fun things for yourself. You know you're gonna get a pair of socks, typically a scarf, and make your money back and sometimes a lot of profit. That was not the case for me. So these boxes are now $28 plus $5.99 shipping. So that's like, it's like $35, something like that, including shipping. And I will say, it's kind of random that this happened. This box arrived today from Swanee, Georgia, which I already know is like, oh, Georgia's done me well on other boxes, but I've heard it's just not the great place for fun boxes. They're not as fun there, apparently. Anyway, I have listed the items from that original box, the ones I could. I donated most of it, gave my girls some of it. And just last night, or this morning, I sold the Ted Baker necklace collar deal for $49. And out of like maybe a couple weeks ago, I sold one thing out of the other box, and that was the green Daisy Fuentes bra, new with the tags. And I made $5. So I have netted $41.79 when you take out my cost of goods for those two items, and combined, I was like right at $65 or something for the two. So I haven't made my money back on those, but I did keep a couple random like socks or whatever for myself. Fine. It was an unboxing. Anyway, here we go. Let's dive into this one. My expectations are super low, but I feel like the odds are eventually I have to get a good one. It is like kind of bursting at the seams here. So looking inside, I do see some bubble wrap, so that's nice. So yeah, $28, $5.99 shipping. Okay, we're just gonna grab the bubble on top. Last time I had a sunglasses case in one, and it was those blue light blocking glasses that retailed for a lot, and I actually decided to keep those for myself. I should probably use them more since I'm on my phone a lot. Okay, this has a sunglass case and a pair of little glasses. Oh my gosh, it's dark, obviously. These are cute. They're kind of shimmery. They're big. I won't wear them. I don't see any markings on them, so just some little fashion hoops. And this is a Ray-Ban case. And let's see, do we have actual Ray-Bans inside? Looks like it. I love the shape of Ray-Bans, and I think they look good on my face, but I do not like the tilt. I don't like that it touches my face so much, but okay, so these are, I don't know how to show you, a little scratched up for sure, but they're like a blue color inside. It says Ray-Ban, it says RAP 3031AA 150 RCO86, made in Italy, and it has the little CE thing there. So they feel heavy, like they feel quality. So I'm going to go with they are authentic. Of course, I'll have to do some digging, but I mean, you're going to see my ring light, but I wish they didn't, because I love sunglasses. I'm in Florida. I wish they were just like up. I don't like that they tilt. I know that's part of the whole deal. Wayfair, is that what these are? Wayfarer, Wayfair, one of those. So, okay, this is already, I mean, I don't know what they resale for. Maybe 30 bucks. Like maybe I could at least make my money back, right? If I end up selling these. I mean, I hope to end up selling them. Okay. There is something wrapped in some tissue. Maybe more than one something. Okay. All right. What did I tell you? It's not a fun box without some kind of scarf. This looks like some just like no name. What is this? This is my scarf, y'all. a little bit, but it's not really a scarf. I'm assuming it's like one of those like head deals. My little girls will like this because it is not anything. It feels super cheap, and I'm not having fun yet, are you? No, I'm always having fun when I'm hanging. So what is this? A belt? Genuine leather trim. Extra small. Okay, so I do think maybe it's a belt like this. Genuine leather, that's good. It's stretchy in the back. How do you put it on? Oh, these do come off. Oh, okay. So there's no marking. There's no, maybe Google Lens can help me unless, yeah, it just says extra small, genuine leather, but I'm not seeing any sort of brand. So that's cute. This would look cute over like a solid colored dress, you know, one that doesn't come with the belt that you're just trying to spruce up a little. So that's fun. If it was a large, medium or large, maybe I could wear it, but okay. These are Helen Welsh. Heard of that before? These are just some gloves. They are new with the tag, so that's nice. 80% wool, made in Italy, dry clean only, with an RN number. So hey, maybe that's something. Obviously, these are not gonna sell for any time now that we're coming into summer, but hey, I mean, can't super complain. Okay, we have a phone case. It is Kate Spade. Ooh, it's really gross inside. And I will say from watching other videos, okay, here's my phone. This is not a new phone. What do I have? Like the 10 maybe? I have not got a new phone in a few years, and like the size difference. So this is definitely like super old case. So probably junk. Well, this is cute. Vera Bradley. I love Vera Bradley at my crossbody, and I rock a fanny pack when I go thrifting. It's super cute and I love it. Fits everything perfect. So a little wristlet. It says Vera Bradley around right there. Oh, I just took off my nail polish, so I have some like fuzzies on me. Okay. So this doesn't look super worn. You got room in there for your cards, and there's a zipper. So I don't know what these retail for, but maybe I can recoup a couple bucks off of that. I see something lacy. What are you? New with the tags. Blue Bella. What are you? What are you? Okay, I think I have it figured out. Stand by. I think these are underwear. Okay. Tag, get out of the way. So I'm fairly confident these are some high-waisted fancy pants panties. Blue Bella, never heard of that. Fall, winter 2019. Rowan high waist brief. Size small, New York City. Okay. Oh, size range 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So if it's size 4 to 12, I'll have to go to their website. And it retails for, ooh, it's different doing this at nighttime. Okay, obviously you're not gonna be able to see that. $30. Oh, gotta get socks. And actually, I don't mind. I don't really buy myself socks, but I need socks because I got on back on my Peloton today. I'm super proud of myself, and so I need socks for that. And not just one pair. Obviously, I need two. These are mucklucks. Ooh, these are nice. I like mucklucks. Makes really comfy mint flower boots and slippers. That's what I'm trying to say. Slippers. So these are cozy. You know, if you get socks in these, you've just added to your collection. And it looks like there's one more thing in here. This box was quite small, which is fine. Sometimes the best things come in small packages, right? Okay. So this looks like the last item. This is like, it's a purse. And it looks like it has a cinch. Yeah, that actually does work to cinch it. And it looks to be unbranded, but it looks new, like it doesn't appear to be used. It's very cute and fun and summery. So this, I would say this is perfect fun for a fun box. I wish I knew where it came from, but it feels like the cinch works pretty well. It feels quality. So, okay. Well, it's supposed to be at least 10 items. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and my earrings are 10. So 0 extras. I think last time I got a couple extra, but I am pleased. Is this worth $28? Yeah, I mean, if you were to add up, I mean, shoot, just these panties are 30 if you're the type that spends 30 bucks on your underwears. Look, I spend 18 a pair on mine. So, but if these Ray-Bans are indeed legit, I have a feeling I could probably get my money back just on those, and got a couple little things for my girls. I don't know about this belt, but it's real leather, and this little Vera Bradley was nice. So not the best box that I've seen. I don't need you to do an update right now. Remind me later. Uh-oh, what did it do? I've definitely seen some people get like UGG slippers, and somebody I just watched got like Beats. So anyway, you never know what you're gonna get in a fun box, basically. So they're hard to come by, unless maybe they don't put them up often, or when they do, they only do a couple. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. What do I have next for you? Today was my best, or yesterday, if you follow me on social, yesterday was my best sales day to date. And actually the number I put out, $692 gross, but I actually forgot to calculate another $49 sale. So whatever, $692 plus 49, over $700 gross yesterday, and I did nothing for my resale business yesterday. That's a reflection of posting things all last week. So I am very happy with that, and I'm closing in on my recouping all of my money from my ThredUp 200 pound 4 boxes. If you didn't watch that series, go back. There was some pretty great stuff, and I am nowhere near done listing everything from that, but there was some pretty great stuff in that. So, all right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful night, and we will be back sometime soon. Bye, guys.